Hello lovelies, welcome to day 21 of our pranayama challenge. So if you, this next 7 days is considered slightly more advanced practices. So if you tend to like to skip, try to not skip to this until you've really got to grips with your breath, with diaphragmatic breathing, with your samavriti or your coherent breathing, whatever you've decided to do with your daily practice. Just even if you haven't managed to do it every day, make sure that you've really got in your toolbox the things that you need on a day-to-day basis, which is the quietening of the breath, the breathing from the nose, the whiskey breath, which is the one with the pauses. Remember, we breathe in and then we pause and then pause and then pause, so that whenever you're doing your presentations or you're about to get into a match situation or something that makes you that challenges you, you have in your toolbox what you need. This is, if you really want to get now into pranayama in a more advanced way, then feel free to continue this, that'd be lovely. So this one's called Kapalabhati, and we're also going to start introducing pauses. They say that pranayama is really all about these pauses, and the first sort of taster you had of this was this Viloma whiskey breath, which is breathe in, pause, out, pause, pause, pause. That was an example. They're called kumbhakas. But anyway, and why are we doing this? So Kapalabhati is very good for energizing. It's a wonderful morning practice. Empties the sinuses. Very good for digestion. You know, to get you regular if you're a bit constipated. Very good. It also has some contraindications, which are: don't do it on a full stomach, don't do it if you're pregnant, don't do it if you've got lung conditions of any sort, high blood pressure, what else, if you've been to a recent operation, if you have a hernia. Those are the contraindications. There's other things you can do if you have any of these things. So the breath holds, why does that matter, especially to sports people, is slowly increasing the breath holds, using various techniques will eventually make us more athletically, will help with our athletic stamina. But most importantly, even if we don't do athletics, having good lung capacity means a good immune system and a healthier being. So, enough of the monologue, let's begin. Sit in a place that allows your spine to be straight, and from all the pranayamas, it's the most important here to have a straight spine. If you hunch, you could also try instead sitting on your knees with your hands straight down. That keeps a very strong, straight torso. So what we do with Kapalabhati is we breathe in normally and breathe out with a pumping action. So the belly goes all the way in. It's called Kapalabhati in Sanskrit, means something can sound a bit scary. It's skull shining, like clearing of the brain, I guess, I don't know. But also it's referred to as the fire breath. So I don't know if you ever came across these little bellows that you pump air into a fire, into the embers, to really build up a fire. So think of it like that. We're sort of pumping energy, we're firing ourselves up in a positive, invigorating way. Alright, so we're breathing in 2 or 3 times, just very low, slow diaphragmatic breathing to really get in touch with our spine being long. And then when you're ready, we're taking a breath in. And then we're going to pump out 10 times. 1, breathe in, 2. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Second round for 20. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Don't worry if in these early days you're getting your timing all mixed up. No problem at all. Breathe in. Breathe out. And this time we're going to try it for 30, and at the end we're going to hold our breath. So breathe in. And begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice straight spine. 9, 11, 12, 13. I think I may have lost the count there. 15, 16, 17, 18, 9. Chest out. 21, 22, 23. Shoulders relaxed. 6. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now we're going to do a little breath hold. So breathe in. We're going to bring the chin to the chest and hold the breath. So feel the back of the neck really expanding. Feel the shoulders really release. And you're holding your breath this time to just a medium to strong hold. So you decide how long you're going to hold it for. When you've had enough, you breathe out and then you release your chin lock. And we're just staying here noticing. If you're noticing any adverse reactions like a faster heartbeat or headache or whatever, maybe you overdid it this time a bit. But maybe you're just finding a little stillness here. All of these pranayamas are very good preparations for meditation. But also, if you're not into meditating, you might just want to use this opportunity to just give yourself a little good wish. If you're religious, a little prayer or whatever. But I often use, may I be well, may I be happy, may I be free to grow. And then sometimes extend it to those around us. Including sometimes a few difficult people. Extend it out, the good wish. Nice way of starting the day or ending the day. I'm going to hang up now. You can stay here as long as you want. And I'll explain a bit more about the physiology tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed it.